Well, this is just gonna be a talking video, so let's get started. So I came up with a whole bunch of ideas. I am gonna bring a whole bunch of arts and crafts things to my arts and crafts room, which I don't have any here. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, try this again. Hi guys, my name is LollyO, and we are going to make a fun video. I decided to make a whole bunch of ideas. I was planning to do a Halloween costume thing, but we'll do that at Halloween. And Christmas might be a snowman, but this snow, it was not right for a snowman. It is too soggy, too water. It just slips right up. Whenever you just knock on it, it just slips. So this is not the time to make a snowman. Well, we're gonna go inside and make something like I always do. More arts and crafts, more snowmans, which I never made before. Well, I have tried to do one when I had to go to Sonia's, and all of that was been in a long time ago when I was 3 years old. And now I'm 5, so I'm almost gonna be 6. I'm almost gonna be 10 too. And I'm almost in kindergarten. Do you remember my teacher, Miss Shorthander, gave us this little kindergarten thing where you learn a little bit? And I'm learning that for kindergarten because I'm almost gonna be in kindergarten, and I'm gonna be in kindergarten next year. And so you will see me at kindergarten next year. Well, like a fun day. We switch up our locations and all that stuff. We'll still talk a little about school, but I don't know. I bet you guys are gonna make some very beautiful crafts. I'm looking forward to.
Arts and crafts with you.
Remember when I do this? Just doing it in slow motion.
Okay.
From True. I don't think you saw that, but I have a song. Ready for the song? It's gonna be like corny. Corn, 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 you love corn, and you stay happy with corn. Corn, 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 you love corn, on the when it's roasted. Corn, 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 the corn. Yum, num, num, num. You eat your corn whenever you want to. You buy corn every day. We love corn. Everybody loves corn. We love corn. Everybody loves corn.
Yay! That was wonderful. Woo! LollyO! I love you. You're amazing. It's LollyO! Oh my god!
Okay, bye guys. And if you like this video, just click my face, which my mommy is gonna make. And if you do, I'm gonna have the best videos too. And you can see Jay Sparkle's videos. Jay Sparkle is my favorite YouTube channel. I watched her right now downstairs. I forgot to say one thing. I can't wait to make more crafts with you. Lots of crafts. Okay, yeah. Bye!